Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll show you some hidden tips and tricks you didn't know for your iPhone. Want to learn some new tips and tricks for your iPhone? Stay tuned because this video is for you. A cool trick you can do is sending smileys. If you want to send smileys instead of emojis, what you need to do is type a smiley like so, and it will give you an option for an actual smiley and not an emoji. Cool, huh? Another cool trick is a dial shortcut. So, whenever you use a number on your phone, if you want a faster way to use that number again, you can simply open the phone app and tap on the call button. It will display the last number you dialed. Lastly, if you want to add lines to notes on Notepad, you can make it happen. Go to Settings and open Note. Scroll down until you find lines and grids. Here you'll see the default is a blank canvas. You can choose whatever line or grid design you want for your notes. And that's it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next video.